We understand the challenges presented by optimized thermal designs. Quadro Flow Cooling System. The thin and light Quadro Flow cooling system delivers 100% CPU performance. This small form factor design operates silently and is easily assembled to the boards. Using QFCS, CPU temperatures of 58 degrees Celsius are achieved at 45 watts in environmental temperatures of 25 degrees Celsius. It is 38 degrees Celsius lower than temperatures achieved by traditional thermal solutions. When environmental temperature rises to 60 degrees Celsius, QFCS keeps 100% CPU performance. CPUs with traditional thermal solutions endure throttling that yields a significant drop in performance. QFCS is thin and light. Advantech QFCS is only 27 millimeters in height. This means it is 46% thinner than traditional thermal solutions. QFCS is 47% lighter than traditional thermal solutions. QFCS's light design helps to pass 7.7 GRMS vibration tests. QFCS operates silently. QFCS's low noise fan design produces only 45 decibels during operation. This avoids disturbing and annoying users. QFCS is easily assembled to the boards. QFCS is assembled by using 5 spring screws, a tool-free design to simplify the assembly process. Auto-damping adjustment screws can prevent PCB bending. Thermal technology innovation. A. Two-phase change heat pipe. B. Mixed fin structure. C. CPU hard contact. D. Venting holes. Advantech's embedded platforms with QFCS address your thermal challenges.